Fifth one, disseminator role of manager. Manager disseminates the information he collects from different sources and through various means. He passes some of the privileged information directly to his subordinates, peers, and superiors, who otherwise have no access to it. This information is gathered by him from his environments and from his own equals in the organization. The manager will play an important role in disseminating the information to his subordinates when they don't have contact with one another. Sixth one, spokesman role of manager. Managers also perform a spokesperson's role when they represent the organization to outsiders. Manager is required to speak on behalf of the organization and transmit information on organization's plans, policies, and actions. The manager has to keep his superior informed about every development in his unit, who in turn inform the outsiders and insiders. Directors and shareholders must be informed about the financial performance. Customers must be informed about the new product developments, quality, maintenance, government officials about implementation of law, etc. Seventh one, entrepreneurial role of manager. As an entrepreneur, the manager is a creator and innovator. He initiates and oversees new products that will improve their organization's performance. He seeks to improve his department, adapt the changing environmental factors. The manager would like to have new ideas, initiates new projects, and initiates the developmental projects. Eighth one, disturbance handler role of manager. As a disturbance handler, manager takes corrective action to respond to previously unforeseen problems. Disturbance handler role presents the manager as the involuntary responding to pressures. For example, worker strike, declining sales, bankruptcy of the major customer, etc. The manager should have enough time in handling disturbance carefully, skillfully, and effectively. Ninth one, resource allocator role of manager. The most important resource that a manager allocates to his subordinates is his time. As a resource allocator, managers are responsible for allocating human, physical, and monetary resources. Accordingly, setting up of time schedule for the completion of an operation or approval of expenditure on particular project. The manager should have an open door policy and allow the subordinates to express their opinions and share their experiences. This process helps both manager and his subordinates in making effective decisions. 10th one, negotiator role of manager. In this role, the manager represents the organization in bargaining and negotiations with outsiders and insiders in order to gain advantages for his own unit. He negotiates with the subordinates for improved commitment and loyalty, with the peers for cooperation, coordination, and integration, with the workers and their unions regarding conditions of employment, commitment, and productivity, with the government about providing facilities for business expansion, etc. To conclude, we can say that though the different roles of managers are discussed separately for convenience, they are in fact inseparable. The manager has to perform these roles simultaneously by integrating one with the another. Thus, the major role of the manager is integrating all the roles while playing managerial role or performing his task. In fact, the manager cannot play any role isolating the other roles. As a strategist, the manager has to integrate all the roles in decision making and performing his task.